Last week we drove 9 hours to the Smoky Mountains to let the forest speak to us, to feel the earth beneath our feet, to breathe. Here the world slows down. The trees don't hurry, the river moves at its own pace, and the dogs run free without a worry in a world. They have come such a long way from a rough start in life to this moment of pure freedom and bliss. I really feel lucky to have them, but I've always believed that it was them who saved me, not the other way around. And they also remind me of what we've forgotten, and that is how to live simply, how to find joy in the little things, a splash of cold water, the crunch of leaves, the warmth of the sun. The Smokies in the winter feel different. The woods are darker and more mysterious, like a story whispered between their branches. But if you stand still long enough, you feel their energy. And water, the mother of all earth. Watching a river flow is so mesmerizing. As it moves forward, never resisting, never stopping. And maybe that is the lesson to us. Keep moving forward, no matter what stands in the way. Being present is something we seem to have forgotten. But when I watch my dogs run and their ears flapping in the wind, I remember this moment is all we truly have. And nature has a way of bringing us back to ourselves and offering us peace from a world that is way too chaotic. And it also gives me hope that at least some of us still understand the importance of nature. And together, we can be its voice and fight to protect it at all costs. Because nature really is the last free thing we have.